So guys, the images are added. Now what we will do? We will install the operating system via WDS. So for that we need the client PC. Okay, so before creating the virtual machine for client PC, we will do some settings here. We will go to server one, right click, we'll go to properties, then we'll go to boot. Under boot, we will select this option. For known client, always continue the PXE boot. And here also we'll select the always continue the PXE boot. So what this option will do, it will install the operating system without asking you to press any key, like press F12 key to continue with the installation. Okay, so without any interruption, without any asking any question, it will start installing the operating system. Then we'll click OK here and we'll check the networking setting of this domain controller or WDS server. We'll go to VM settings, and if you go to network adapter, it is in host only. So whenever we are creating any virtual machine in our lab environment, it should be host only. Okay. So let us create the virtual machine for client to install the Windows 10 operating system. Create new virtual machine. We'll click next. I will install the operating system later, and Microsoft Windows, and will install Windows 10 operating system. We'll click next, 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 finish. Then what we will do, we'll go to this virtual machine and we'll check the networking settings. We'll go to network and it is NAT here, so we'll make it host only. Then we will power on this virtual machine so it will contact with WDS server and it will install the operating system. So it will first get the IP address from DHCP server. So let us check. Now you can see EFI network. It is connecting to 10.0.0.1. It will not ask you any question here to press any key or press F12. If you see, it has started the loading files from 10.0.0.1. This is the beauty of WDS. So it has started installing the operating system, and you know how to install the operating system. We have seen multiple times. All we need to do is we need to see whether it is booting up from the network or not, whether it is getting the images from WDS server or not. So it is getting the images and it is starting the installation as well. So with this, we have completed our WDS as well.